just a massive streaming application giving you access to hundreds and thousands of free movies, TV series, and even some live TV. Now, this application works great on your Fire Stick, on your Android TV devices. It doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. I'm not using any VPN, and it was only updated in the last week or so. And with this new update, they've added in just so much more amazing free content. So please do take a moment to hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Fire Stick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now, the application is the new version of Rakuten TV. And as you can see on my Fire TV Cube, this was updated on the 20th of March 2023. And as with all of these updates on these official applications, they always add in more content, more movies, more TV series, and they've now redesigned the interface so you can access all of your favorite content, including many TV channels. Now, depending on your location, you may not see this directly on the Amazon App Store or the Google Play Store, but please do watch the video to the end as I will give you the step-by-step instructions on how you can get this on all of your devices. Let's open that up. Now, directly on the home screen, we can see we have the top 15 channels. Lots of different things in here, and as these are live channels, you can see when you go into something what time the channel started or that show started and what time it's going to finish. Let's go down. We now have a section for the top free movies. Lots of different things in here. Let's go down. Then you've got some more channels for the bank holiday, as it is a bank holiday in the UK. Then you've got some original series. Then you've got more live TV with movie channels. Let's just try, for a quick test, let's just try one of these news channels. Let's go for this one here. And you can see straight away that starts streaming in the background. That is a fantastic HD picture. And we can now see the fully working program guide. So I can see the channels here. I can press down. And I can now browse all of the channels. We can also break the channels down into different categories. So we're on the cooking channels. We have music, kids, slow TV. This is things like, those virtual fireplaces, some of those drone footage channels. Basically, if you want something running in the background, these really do have some fantastic content. So all of that's inside slow TV. Then you have documentaries, news channels. We have movies, TV shows, entertainment, sports, and then back to lifestyle. If I go into entertainment, here for example we can see this pet collection. Let's click on that. I can now add this into my favorites or click on watch live. Let's add that into my favorites. Let's click on that now. We can now see some cats and dogs playing together. So rare sight, but that looks good. Let's press back on the remote. Let's just try this People Special TV, just to show you that it's not just one channel or one episode. Everything in this application, as it's an official application, is working. It's working straight away. And that really is a great high definition picture. So lots of different channels in here, different categories. If I press back on the remote and back at home, we can then scroll down and we now have the VOD content. So this is where you'll see your top 3 movies. If I scroll to the right, we can see lots of different things in here. Here we have some original series, lots of different things. We got some Christmas movies. And you can just keep on scrolling to the right and you will see they have lots of great content in here. Here we have some original movies. If you're looking for some of the original indie stuff. Then we have content from FilmRise. So FilmRise is a very popular application, has lots of great movies and TV shows, and we can now access some of that content directly through here. Here, for example, we can see the Iron Chef. Let's click on that. We can see we can play episode 1, or I can scroll down and we can see the other episodes in here, or I can click on season 1 and we can see they actually have all 3 seasons of this particular show. Now let's just try the first one. Click on play. And in a couple of seconds, we are straight into the content. And that really is the benefit of these official streaming applications, is as they're official, they have the backend infrastructure, which means that they can handle all of the users trying to watch their content, which means we can enjoy this content buffer free. Let's back out of that. If I go right to the top, we can see my library. If you want to create a new account, you can do that. Then you can mark content as favorites or create playlists, but I'm gonna not log in. We can also go into the settings. Now we can also search for content. So if I'm looking for, I don't know, cooking, now we can see all of the movies, all of the TV series, and all of the channels matching that particular search query. And we are straight in there, guys. So you can see why with some of the content you've seen, with that library of movies, TV shows, all of those channels, with that program guide, without requiring any registration, I think this application is definitely worthwhile checking out. Let me show you, I can get this on all of your devices. So let's press the home key. Let's now open up Downloader. As I mentioned at the start of this video, that you do need to have a UK IP address, but I'm hoping as this application expands out to more regions, it will be available globally. But for now, just to confirm, you do have to have that UK IP address. Inside Downloader, we can make a quick connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can always type in this short code 53402. Let's type that in and click on go. Now when you get to my site, head over to the hamburger menu, which is the one with the 3 lines. Click on that, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this new version of Rakuten TV. Let's open that up. Here we are, so we can see some information about the application, all of the content it contains, all the things you can do, and with all of that, you'll have a single link to the latest version of this application, which is this one here. So let's click on that, scroll down and click on this green download button, and this will download the latest version directly onto your device. And you can see why it's a special application with all of this great content. And another thing that's special, just for the next 2 weeks, you can get total protection for all of your devices with maximum speed. You can get $50 off the yearly plan, which works out as just over $3 a month. All devices covered, even your laptops, your tablets, Windows PCs, everything will be covered with a single license. You can then change your IP address. You can hide what you're doing, so your ISP can't track you, they can't monitor you. To get that, I think this offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. You can also go for the 2-year plan, which works out as just under $3 a month. So it does help support the channel. So many thanks if you want to do that. Do have a look in the video description and the pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. It is only for the next 2 weeks. Do leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.